Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use your touchscreen while driving. So the most new Mazda models has this kind of information system which works perfectly, but there's one problem: the touchscreen only works when you're not driving. So now I'm gonna drive a little bit and you can see the touchscreen doesn't work anymore. It's really annoying and we're gonna change that in this video. Before we're gonna start, we need two things. The first thing is a laptop and the second thing is an USB. We're gonna insert the USB in the laptop and then format it in FAT32 like this and press on start. So guys, we're gonna need to download a file on the USB. I put a link in the description where you can download the file. If you go to the file, you can here download it like this. So I download the file, and if I press on the file, I can extract it here and you get a folder. Now you need to copy all those files in the folder. Press on copy, go to USB like this and paste. That's it. Now you can go back with USB to the car. So now you're gonna need to use the USB. You're gonna press it like that and you start the car. Now the system is starting up. Okay. And you're gonna use your USB by entertainment. Okay, it's already starting, but for the most case you need to go to entertainment, and then if you scroll down you see USB 2 and you're gonna select that like this. And if you're gonna use that, you're gonna see this kind of screen. You're gonna press on open terminal. Now you're gonna see the screen and you're gonna press on next, next again, and then you're gonna press on this, cancel, and now you're gonna restart. You can disconnect the USB. Okay guys, now I'm gonna test it. So I'm gonna drive. So if you can see. And I can use everything. So the touchscreen works now. And you can use it for all of the time. So